Okay, welcome back. Today we gotta make a quick trip to get rid of the garbage, and it's raining out. We got the remnants of Hurricane Ida coming through, part way through, and we'll get the old raincoat. Just want to get the garbage up to the road today. And it's September, so let's change that. And I'm cold to the bone today. What's going on here? Yeah. Let's do this. I'm going to put up a little piece of wood up there, I think. There. Put the old sombrero on today. Alright, let's go. That ain't gonna stand my head, I can tell you right now. Okay, so there's the garbage. Let's put you right there. Be right back. Oh, it's cold out today. I don't know how cold it is, but okay, let's see how this works out. I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just not sleeping anymore. I gotta figure that out. It's not from lack of work or just can't seem to wake up in the middle of the night and that's it. I'm up. Here's an interesting fact on my our YouTube channel. Oh, look at that. There's a nice hole through there now. I got some more burdocks over here to get. Those big leafy looking plants. Alright. Ooh la la. Oh, you can hear the rain coming down pretty good. Let's hope the bear don't get into this tonight. We don't have no, it's not too windy. But here's the fun fact. We now have, well, still, most of the viewers are between 50 and 64 years old, and then the next age group up. And there's more women watching than men. I find that pretty interesting too. And I'm curious why we have a lot of ladies watching the channel now. Just want to take a look around here. It looks like the bear has been back as well. And ooh la la. I'm not going to go up there, but that's what he tore down here the other day. And I just want to, yeah, I think the bugger was right there. Let's go have a peek. My shoes are going to get wet. Oh well. And it's still raining. I got my lucky sombrero on here. I think the bear was spent. I bet you he was too, the dirty bugger. He's eating those red berries off these things here. Go figure, look at that. Yeah, he's just in there and he pulls them down. He missed my buddy's tree there. Huh. Oh well, did us a favor. And the other tree's there, okay, so go figure. I was going to go and grab a load of wood, but it started raining at 7 this morning. And I didn't have time to go get some. But this is what we've got split so far. So that's not too bad, boys and girls. And I've got 2 boards left. And I've got to get that rack off the back there. That's what we had made for hanging the ladder. So that's done. So that's not good. As soon as it dries up a little bit, we'll have to light the fire. Whew. Alright. Just make sure that I didn't catch no critter. No, I don't think so. Let's get out of this. Oh. Did I quit running into that? Okay. We'll check out the temperature in here now. Whew. 67. Kind of like this extra space I got in here now. Have to go and put a... Once I think the bear's gone, I'll go and see what I can do about getting some trapping going again. Whew. But that splitter, that's working out pretty good. We got a bit of... Here, I'll give the old woman my hat here. What? Here, take my hat then. There's peeing in here. Hey, no peeing in here. You want to go out?
Go now. Go see the mice. Where's the mouse? Go see the mouse.
Come on, boys. 1, 2, 3. Over here. Go! Hurry, come on. Come on there, lunkhead. Hey. Psst, psst. Those guys are gone. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Out you get. Ah! Cabango. Okay. Let's get a garbage can in there. Or a 2 secs. It's cool out, Ma. Yeah. There we go. Garbage bag. Just about time to take the bottles to the depot. I'm going to have frizzy hair today, I can tell that right now. Oh. Geez, we could almost light a fire. Alright. Pretty good. Alright. So, what do we got to do next? I've got to here.
Can I run in here?
Yeah. Dogs are out. Hey, Fiskers. You know that pole saw I bought? Why don't you put on a blade like this, and I'll buy another one off of you for that pole saw, because what you had on there, it wouldn't cut wet spaghetti, and I would like to be able to get some branches with it. Alright. So, now we gotta get rid of some of this stuff here. There's 4 bags of kindling I gotta get rid of right down here before winter starts. And light the fire with this stuff. So why do you ladies like watching this channel for? I'm just curious. If you don't mind answering. Next. Buckets. Lots of buckets. More buckets. Okay, what was I going to do? I was going to do the pop. Yes, I'm drinking some pop, but I'm only drinking 1 can a day, and I don't finish it all the time. One of these cans got a hole in it. It'd be this one. You know what the hell happened there? Something smells in here. It smells like dead dog. Want to come in? You want to stay out? You come in here. There's no can. You want to come in? Come on. Yeah. Don't you stay. Our internet sucks, and it looks like it's going to be at least another month before we see if it's fixed. We're paying half price right now, and it's not very good quality at all. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. What the hell are we doing with bottled water for? I don't know. Yeah, let me see. Fair enough. Might as well get this area ready for winter. This is kind of like an extra cooler here. Or a refrigerator. It doesn't freeze in the garage, but it sure gets cold. There we go. There. Alright, one more to go. That's about 4 weeks before the recycle comes. she's gone, mopped the floor, so I can't get back in. But, needless to say, we don't want to move that over there. Okay. One more pop here. That's going to fall off. Okay, let's have a look around here now. Won't be long. Put the snowman back out. There's the blankets. The dog. Gotta remember to put the high pressure washer there in the house. There's a box that don't look like it we need to keep anymore. It's too bad. If it was dry, I would split some more. But what do we got in here? What is this? Shredded peanuts. That's an awful freaking pile of peanuts. We'll burn that box now. Now, I could recycle that cardboard, but you know what happens is I can't get the stupid fire to light without all that extra. Alright. Okay, so let's level this off a bit. That's kindling for the little fireplace. This is just bark that's peeled off of cedars. It's super dry. That stuff will light up like nothing. So there we go. I'll flatten it out a little bit. And that's really, really lightweight. This stuff here, I mean, it's one of these has been in here for, I've only got a little bit left outside too, actually. I should go get some more of that. More cedar, please. Okay, so we can put some more stuff on here next. Okay, running out of things to do quickly here. Get this box. What kind of gifts we got in here? Stuff that I don't really want to chuck. There's a butt. Alright, let's and I gotta clean that up one day. Huh. Oh, there's more boxes underneath. I wonder what's in those boxes. There we are. More saw blades. I'd like to paint Sheepy Hollow on this. Maybe hang it up outside on the garage, or the one of the wood sheds. So that's not too bad. Let me see what's going on here. I want to check to make sure that there's holes in this so the water will drain out, so it doesn't become a mosquito pit. But I don't feel like doing that right now. So let's get this out of the way. There. Oh, look at that. 2 hammers. An axe, and I forgot to register that, but I don't care. Now, where's it go? Okay, it goes right there. Some drywall screws. Okay. Look what we can do, all we can help. Get vaccinated. Yes, get vaccinated. What's this? Never did use that. Picture hanging. Let's get rid of that. It's not very often I like to throw things out, but the jug's gotta go. Mind you. Huh. What can I do with it? Smells like a freaking mouse or cat or something died in here. I just took the garbage out. Oh well. Just check to see if the floor's dry yet. Is the floor dry? The floor? Okay. Clean the vacuum here. Over here. One of the jobs I've got is to clean the vacuum. Let's just pop you over here for now. enough of that. And this dirty bugger. Perfect. So, thanks for coming. Just sweep up this a little bit. To make the splitter slide better. I'll get that next time. Okay, perfect. She's a beautiful day. I might go lay down now. I don't normally take naps, but man, I haven't been getting any sleep. So what do we got for gas here? All empty. Okay. Highly doubt we'll use this again, but so we might as well move that around. Get it closer to going in the house. And then one day when she's not watching, I'll just put it back in the closet. Okay. And I found the pipe for this thing. We need that fixed. This is the extension on the dryer vent. Oh, look at that. We got our bugs back. These come from the firewood. Oh, look at that. The buggers are still wiggling. I'm wondering if these are the things that have been biting me. There. Yeah, look at them. Friggin' crawly, creepy things. Oh, we got a calendar to fix here too. Okay. That's that. Fix the calendar and then I'm heading her in. Oh, fox. We got ourselves a fox for this one. Let's see if you can see that. Little bugger right there. There we are. This is rare. This is the 2nd of September, and I've got all the calendars, but the one in the house changed. So anyway, thanks for coming. Appreciate you watching the videos. Appreciate it even more if you could put some more likes to it, and even comments. I've only got a couple of you folks commenting, and well, ask away. All right, and that's it for today. We'll be back again, and hopefully it won't be raining tomorrow, and then we can go and get some stuff done. So there'll be quite a few splitting videos for a while till I get most of that cleaned up. And wish me luck on that. I'd like to get it done before the snow flies, which could be anywhere from 4 weeks on. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
That's all, folks.
I'll be back.